Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue when you try to let me go to iStore. I want to cancel this. Like I want to download WhatsApp for web, but whenever I try to download, it tells me, let me say install. As for the password, I put in the password. I'm trying to hide because I don't. Okay. I try to sign in. Once you sign in, it will say like this. But after, it's gonna pop up this message. You see, don't get worried. This is the iPhone 7. So what you do, you click on review. After click on review, I'm trying to just hide some small information, but you get it right. When you click on review, go here. You see, can you see? And just switch on this and say terms and conditions. Then you, after that, when you agree on that, then you say media service. Let me see. Let me wait. There's something small I want to verify here. They want you to agree on terms and conditions, especially when your email address is new to them. It might give you okay. After doing that, we can say next. There's gonna be a button which says next. You click next. After clicking next, then you got to fill in all this information, right? After filling information, then it should be fine. Let me fill in, then we're gonna be on same issue. Let me see, same WhatsApp group. Okay, street required. You put in your address. They want your address and all of those things. Guys, I'm busy putting in all the stuff. Okay, there's things which says option and things which say required, right? Okay, after that you're gonna click on submit. You must enter form. Okay, there are things which I didn't fill in. Okay, okay. I think the phone numbers are not good. What I'm trying to say. I've submitted, guys. Wait, I'm gonna see how it's gonna go, or what it's gonna go. Then I said done. Then it say Apple account completed. You get me? It's gonna show you Apple account completed. After that, you will see this button which says continue. Then when we continue, after continuing, then I'm gonna say get. Then I download WhatsApp for Business. Okay, say install. Okay, now ask me for the password. I'm gonna put in the password. Okay, I'm gonna sign in. After putting in the password and sign in, you see what it said? It's now what? Installing. You get me? You get me? You say always required after 15 minutes, always required. Required after 15 minutes, always required. Let me click here. That is something which won't give you issues, but let me see. Always required after 15 minutes, always required. Require password for additional purchases. Let me see. Always required. Maybe it will say always required after 15 minutes. Let me see. That's what I did, but you can see we don't see any issue here. So we're gonna confirm. Yeah, it's downloading. You can see it's downloading. So that was the issue. Now it's gone. It gave me almost 2 days, like crazily, trying to know, to realize what's going on here. You get me? So okay, after that it's gonna ask you to open the WhatsApp for web and start using WhatsApp. Okay, I'm gonna look for, then agree, then we'll ask you for number. Would you like to send notifications? May include alerts and all that things, whatever. No, we passed what we wanted. I'll say allow, then I'm gonna put in the phone number which I want. Okay guys, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. This was one of my stress for 2 days ever since I got this phone, and the iPhone 7, I thought it was blocked from installation of that. Okay guys, hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, what did I forget? Yeah, on credit card there's a place where it says credit card, leave none. Don't put anything, don't put, because you don't want to put in any credit cards. You get me? So leave it like that. So if you want to do some other things, then it's up to you, but I would like to say leave it like that. You get me? Don't put in any credit cards for now if you're not willing, but if you want to put, you'll be purchasing some stuff, then you can put in. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe.